Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is video number 9 of this YouTube training series, and this is the last video in this training series, and I'll be talking about what all resources you need to create videos for your channel. So if you don't know me, my name is Saurabh and my passion is to help you build your influence using online marketing. So if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, I've been doing this series of videos around YouTube where I've been telling you how you can get started with the YouTube, how to do keyword research, how to do SEO, how to upload a video, how to embed a video on a blog post, how to share it on social media, how to do live. So all the links to the previous videos will be in the description down below, and in this video I'll be showing you all the resources which I personally use to record the videos, be it the camera, be it the mic which I use, be it the webcam, be it the software. So all these resources are going to make your life better. So the main thing is you need to get started with creating the videos, and for that you don't need any fancy cameras, fancy equipment, fancy lighting. What you need is just your smartphone with a lavalier mic or something for a better audio, and you can get started with creating the videos for your channel. So this video is going to help you with the resources which you can use to create videos, and I hope you will find some value out of this video. So without a further ado, let me just take you straight away to the training class, and I'll see you on the other side. And today I'll be talking about what all resources you need in order to create those videos which can convey your message across to your target audience, and you can just be the shining star of YouTube very soon. So the first thing what you need is a camera to record a video. So what you can use, either you could use something like this webcam, a nice 1080p webcam. I use Logitech C920 webcam to do these kind of videos where I'm recording my screen. So I use webcam. I've seen people who are just using webcam for their very successful channel. They don't use any other fancy video camera gear. So the one thing you can use is a webcam, and the other thing which you could use for camera is your smartphone. So these days smartphones have got the best cameras. You don't need those high-end camera gear which you have seen to get started with. No, you can just literally start with your phone to record the videos. These days almost all phones record in 1080p, and that is what you need to do. You don't have to aim for 4K or anything. Just shoot your videos in plain 1080p. The other thing which you need to keep in mind is the audio quality, and audio is one thing that gets your viewers hooked up to your video. So what you can do for that, I use a Blue Yeti microphone to record this particular video when I'm recording these training videos on my computer. So I use Blue Yeti microphone, but if you're using a smartphone to record, you can use a Rode lavalier microphone. It's a lav mic which you can just put it on your chest, and you can get a very nice audio as compared to the default audio of your phone or of your webcam. Then the next thing what you need is a nice tripod. So you could use any tripod. So let me show you what I have. This is actually my video gear, but you don't need this kind of video gear. So I use this Manfrotto tripod. So you could use this particular tripod for your phone as well as your webcam, or you can also use the Gorilla tripod to mount your phone or your webcam. And the next thing what we need to take care of is the lighting. So make sure that you have got a decent lighting in your room. You don't need those fancy light boxes to get started with when you're just getting started with your YouTube channel. You can bring those things later in the game once you have got a successful channel, once you have got some money coming in from YouTube. Then you can get those high-end cameras and those light boxes in your game. But initially, no, just make sure that there is a light on your face and it is clearly visible, it's not dark, the lighting is good, and that is all you have to take care of. And if you need to record these training kind of videos, I use a software called Screencast-O-Matic, which records the computer screen, and it works for both Mac and Windows. I'm using it on my MacBook Pro. You can also use it on Windows. So using this software, I record the screen as well as I record the audio, and it has also got a built-in editor which you can use to edit your videos. And talking about editors, so if you've got a Mac, you can just literally use iMovie, which is the built-in free editor for Mac. With Windows, you can use any of the software which is there. I'm not sure about the editing software for Windows, but I know Adobe Premiere Pro and all those, if you want to pay for them, but there are a lot many free options out there. Just do a Google search and you will find plenty of options. You don't have to worry about it. So guys, that is all I wanted to share in this video. Again, if you have any queries, or if you want to know what kind of equipment you need or what kind of setup you need to build in, feel free to reach out to me. If you got some value, please make sure to like this video and also put a comment. I would love to go through your comments and reply to all of them. And if you want to learn more strategies to get started with online business and make money online, please make sure that you're subscribed to the channel as well. And lastly, if you want to make more money using different strategies, please make sure to click on the link in the description down below, and I will see you on the other side.